The Earth is a breathtaking masterpiece, with its diverse landscapes ranging from lush rainforests and majestic mountains to serene oceans and vibrant deserts. Each unique corner of our planet holds incredible beauty and wonder, reminding us of the profound and delicate balance of nature that we are privileged to experience. From hidden caves to towering mountains, Earth offers endless wonders. These natural treasures invite us to pause, to observe, to appreciate their serene beauty. Join me now as we embark on a journey to some of the world's most breathtaking destinations. The Algarve coast of Portugal hides a secret, a sea cave known as Benagil. Carved by centuries of crashing waves, Benagil is a masterpiece. The cave's centerpiece is a hidden beach, accessible only by water. Sunlight streams through a circular opening at the top. It paints the cave walls with a warm, ethereal glow. The air hums with the gentle rhythm of the ocean. Benagil Cave is a sanctuary of light and tranquility. Far out in the Atlantic Ocean lies Corvo Island. Part of the Azores archipelago, Corvo is a volcanic wonder. Internationally known as a paradise for bird watching, Corvo Island is home to various bird species. Its slopes are cloaked in vibrant green vegetation. The Atlantic Ocean stretches out, endless and blue. Corvo Island is a reminder of nature's raw power and delicate beauty. The Western Ghats of India are home to Munnar. This hill station is famous for its tea plantations. Rolling hills are carpeted in a sea of emerald green. The air is cool and crisp, carrying the aroma of tea leaves. Early mornings are often met with a blanket of mist. It covers the plantations in an ethereal silence. As the mist lifts, the sun bathes the hills in a warm glow. Munnar offers a sensory experience of sight, smell, and tranquility. Let's discover Wadi Rum, also known as the Valley of the Moon, where silence rules. Jordan's Wadi Rum is a desert landscape like no other. Towering sandstone mountains rise from the desert floor. Their weathered faces tell stories of time and erosion. The silence of Wadi Rum is absolute. It amplifies the feeling of being insignificant in the face of nature's grandeur. As night falls, the sky explodes with stars. The Milky Way stretches across the heavens, a river of light. Wadi Rum is a place of stark beauty and profound silence. Let's have a look at majestic Pamukkale in Turkey. Pamukkale, also referred as Cotton Castle, is a geological marvel in southwestern Turkey. Pamukkale, meaning cotton castle in Turkish. This surreal landscape features terraces of white travertine. Thermal springs, rich in calcium carbonate, have created these cascading pools. The water cascades down the slopes, leaving behind a white, mineral-rich deposit. The result is a stunning spectacle. Pamukkale appears as if frozen in time, a testament to the Earth's artistry. Zhangjiajie, also referred as Pillars of the Sky, in China's Hunan province lies Zhangjiajie National Forest Park. This park is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is famous for its towering sandstone pillars. These pillars, some reaching thousands of feet high, are a geological marvel. Covered in lush vegetation, the pillars disappear into the mist. The park is a symphony of greens and blues. Waterfalls cascade down the cliffs, adding to the mystical atmosphere. Zhangjiajie is a world of its own, a testament to nature's power to inspire awe. Our next stop is Deadvlei in Namibia, a white clay pan surrounded by the tallest sand dunes in the world. Here, ancient dead trees stand stark against the orange sands, creating a majestically beautiful scene that feels like a painting. Next, we move to Salar de Uyuni, the world's largest salt flat in Bolivia. During the rainy season, this vast expanse transforms into a giant mirror, reflecting the sky in a mesmerizing display that blurs the line between heaven and earth. Our adventure continues to Eibsee Lake in Germany, considered as one of the most beautiful lakes in Germany. This unique lake looks like it belongs on another planet. captivating all who lay eyes on it. Finally, we arrive at Lake Hillier in Australia, a pink lake that remains a mystery to scientists. Its vivid color stands out against the surrounding greenery, leaving all who see it in wonder of nature's beauty. These extraordinary places remind us of the planet's incredible diversity and beauty, leaving us amazed by the creations of nature's wonders.